The improvements that were made to Hemingway Chapel Road are we upgraded one existing 48-inch pipe to 3 48-inch pipes and one 36-inch pipe to improve capacity under Hemingway Chapel. This watershed has about 350 cubic feet per second that drains to this location, but the existing 48-inch pipe could only handle about 110 cubic feet per second, so we needed to drastically increase that capacity to prevent upstream flooding. The need for this project was identified by some reports of flooding in the area and observations of reporting of flooding in the area, but we also completed a watershed study for the Crabtree area, and as part of that study it identified this road crossing as a pinch point or a choke point that was attenuating some water upstream. This water comes from a tributary of Crabtree Swamp. It eventually flows down to Crabtree Swamp through the city of Conway and then out to the Waccamaw River. It's very important to make sure we're not inducing flooding in any other areas downstream or surrounding areas. So as part of the watershed study and the analysis we do, we look at those impacts and make sure we're not increasing flooding in other areas. For this project, we're significantly reducing the flooding elevations upstream, but any impacts downstream are very nominal and does not impact any properties. Environmental impacts are limited for projects like this through sediment and erosion control BMPs. For this project, we had silt fence, a turbidity curtain, which is similar to a silt fence that is in the tributary itself in the water column to remove sediment in the water. We also used dewatering bags for the dewatering pumping operations, as well as rock check dams. This project received funding from the Rural Infrastructure Authority, which paid for approximately 85% of this project. So Horry County funded approximately 15% of the project. This project specifically was around $300,000. So Horry County funded approximately $45,000 of that, and the Rural Infrastructure provided the other $255,000 for this one. The total grant for all projects that Rural Infrastructure Authority provided for us this year is around $4.9 to $5 million. We're very fortunate to have a talented community development team that helps us find and secure grants for projects like this.